Good morning, students. This is SHAFI from Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. In our previous class, we learned about the problems based on relations. Still, we have some more problems based on relation. Let us solve the problems in this class also, which is related to the topic relations. Here we have the eighth problem. In our previous class, we solved 7 problems including homework problems, right? In this class, we will continue the problems. It is the eighth question. Write the relation r equals to x comma x cube, x comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10 in a roster form. The relation we have this one in a set builder form. We have to write this relation in a roster form. Here condition is given that x is a prime number less than 10. X is a prime number less than 10. We have to take prime numbers which is less than 10. In bridge course itself, I already told you that which are the prime numbers, right? Which are the prime numbers? Let us discuss. Relation R equals to ordered pair is what? X comma x cube. Ordered pair is what? X comma x cube. Okay, x comma x cube. Let us take a prime number which is less than 10. Yes, prime numbers are what? 2. X is a prime number 2. Next, we have x cube. That is what? 2 cube. Next, after the 2, which is the prime number? After the 2, which is the prime number? 3. Next, in the second element is what? X cube. That is what? 3 cube. Next prime number is what? 5. Next, second element is what? X cube. That is what? 5 cube. Okay. Next, 7. X cube. That is second element is what? X cube. That is what? 7 cube. Okay. Now, after the 7, which is the prime number? 8 is not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. We have to take a prime numbers which is less than 10. So these are the prime numbers which is less than 10. 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers which is less than 10. Let us simplify it. Relation R equals to 2 comma 2 cube. 2 cube is how much? 8. Next, 3 cube. 3 cube is how much? 27. Next, 5 cube is how much? 125. Next, 7 comma 7 cube is how much? 343. Therefore, it is a required relation which is in roster form. Are you understand? Once again, x comma x cube we have the ordered pair. X comma x cube we have. Here condition is given x is a prime number less than 10. X is a prime number less than 10. We have to take the prime numbers which is less than 10. Relation R equals to 2 comma 2 cube. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 and 7 are the prime numbers which is less than the number 10. 2 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, 7 cube. The value of 2 cube is 8. The value of 3 cube is 27. The value of 5 cube is 125. The value of 7 cube is 343. Are you understand? Note down this problem. Next, let us move on to the ninth question. Let R be the relation. Let R be the relation on Z defined by R, ordered pair R equals to relation R equals to ordered pair AB such that A comma B belongs to Z. A minus B is an integer. Find domain and range. Here we have the relation. First write down the relation, given relation R equals to ordered pair A comma B such that it is a relation. AB such that AB belongs to Z. AB belongs to Z. Next, A minus B is an integer. A minus B is an integer. Here the relation is given. By using this relation we have to find its domain and range. For example, here the relation is defined ordered pair AB such that both first element and second elements are an integer. Next, A minus B, the difference of A minus B is also an integer. Suppose let us take integers r equals to, I will take integer 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 is an integer. Okay, next. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is how much? Minus 3. Minus 3 is also an integer. Next. 0, 7. 0 minus 7. Minus 7 is also an integer. I'm just taking the numbers. Randomly I'm taking the numbers. Next, minus 9 minus 7 is how much? Minus 9 minus 7 is how much? Minus 16. Minus 60 is also an integer, and so on. Like this we will define the relation, isn't it? Now he is asking that we have to find the domain and range. What is the domain? 1, minus 2, 0, minus 9. The set of all the first elements of the ordered pair in a relation R is called domain. First elements are what? 1, minus 2, 0, minus 9, maybe minus 10, minus 11, plus 11, minus 13, plus 14, and so on. You just observe. Here we have 1, minus 2, 0, minus 9. Next, minus 10, minus 8, minus 7, minus 99, plus 99, 98, 94, 96. All these numbers which comes under the domain. That numbers what we call? Here we have A comma B is belongs to Z. Here we have AB belongs to Z is nothing but domain is what, and range is what? You just observe. Here we have the first elements 1, minus 2, 0, minus 9, minus 99, minus 109, plus 109, 120, 125, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 1 crore. All these numbers which comes under domain. That numbers what we call? That numbers we have positive ones and also negative ones. Then that numbers what we call? In the question itself he given the hint. That A comma B belongs to Z. Z is nothing but what? Integers. Then domain is also an integers. Therefore domain of this relation is an integers. Domain of the relation R is an integers, which is denoted by the letter capital Z. Range is also an integer. If you want to check, you can check. The second elements of the ordered pair is called the set of all. The second element of the ordered pair in a relation R is called range. 1, 1, 7, minus 7, plus 27, minus 27. All these numbers which comes under range, right? That numbers what we call? That numbers is also an integers. Range is also integers, which is denoted by the capital letter Z, isn't it? In the question itself he given the hint. Relation R AB such that A comma B belongs to Z. A minus B is an integer. Find its domain and range. Here we have the hint. AB belongs to Z. Domain is also an integers. Range is also an integers. Are you understand? I hope you understood. Write down this question in your notebook. Here it is the 8th question. Next, here it is the 9th question. Okay, now let us move on to the 10th question. Note down. It is the 10th question. Kindly note down. It is the 10th question. Figure shows this one. Figure shows a relationship between P and Q. Write this relation in set builder form, roster form. What is its domain and range? By seeing the visual representation, I mean what, this figure, by seeing this figure itself we can say that the domain and range. Domain is 5 6 7, range is 3 4 5, codomain is also 3 4 5. That's it. Domain is 5 6 7, range 3 4 5. By seeing the question itself we can answer. Okay, from figure, by seeing this figure we have to write the relation in a set builder form, roster form, and also domain and range. 4 questions we have. In this question we have 4 questions. We have to find a relation in a set builder form, roster form, what is its domain and range. Okay, solution. Now let us write this relation in a roster form. Let us find out this one in a roster form. R equals to roster form 5 3 5 3, next 6 4 6 4, next 7 5 7 5. Okay, it is a relation that which is in roster form. Next, what about set builder form? Relation R equals to ordered pair x comma y such that you just see the difference between 5 3 6 4 and 7 5 is what? The difference of 5 3 6 4 and 7 5 is what? The difference of 5 3 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. That means what? The common difference is what? 2. 2 is the common difference. 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. The common difference is 2 only, right? Such that here we have the common difference 2. Then y equals to common difference is 2, x minus 2, right? X, the first element x, this one, the first element x should belongs to the set P. Next, second element y, that should be belongs to the set Q. It is a set builder form. It is a roster form, it is a set builder form. Once again, roster form 5 3 5 3, 6 4 6 4, 7 5 7 5. Understood? Next, set builder form ordered pair x comma y such that y, the second element y equals to x minus 2, because here we have the common difference 2. 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. Common difference is 2. That's why I written y equals to x minus 2. First element, x is the first element, x should be belongs to the set P. Second element y should be belongs to the set Q. It is a roster form, it is a set builder form. Next, we have to find domain and range. What is the domain? Domain equals to, domain is what? The set of all the first elements of the ordered pair in a relation R is called domain. Or by seeing the arrow diagram itself, we can easily identify that domain and range. 5 6 7 is the domain. 5 6 7 is the domain. Then range is what? 3 4 5 is the range. Range is what? 3 4 5. 3 4 5 is the range. Hence it is the solution. Are you understand? Very simple one. Kindly note down. Now let us move on to the 11th question. Here we have the 11th question. Figure shows a relation between P and Q. Write this relation in set builder form, in roster form, domain and range. First we have to write this relation in a set builder form. Second one is roster form. third thing, we have to find its domain and range. By seeing the figure itself, we can easily identify that the domain and range of this relation. Domain 9, 4, 25 is the domain. 9, 4, 25 is the domain. Range is what? 5, 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Except plus 1, all the numbers, all the elements in the set Q which comes under range. Range is what? 5, 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Right? Domain is 9, 4, 25. Range 5, 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Codomain is what? 5, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 is the codomain. Okay. Now let us find out. Let us write this relation in a set builder form, roster form, right? First question, we have to represent this in a set builder form. The first thing, in set builder form, after writing the roster form, then I will write in a set builder form. First I will write the relation in a roster form. After that I will write that one in set builder form. Let us find out the first roster form. Relation R equals to roster form. Roster form is what? 9, 3, 9, minus 3. 9, 3, 9, minus 3. Okay, once again, 9, 3. 9 is related to 3. 9 is related to minus 3. Next, 4 is related to plus 2. 4 is related to minus 2. 4 is related to plus 2. 4 is related to minus 2. 4 is related to plus 2. 4 is related to minus 2. Next, 25 is related to plus 5. 25 is related to minus 5. 25 is related to plus 5. 25 is related to minus 5. It is a relation which is in roster form. 9 plus 3, 9 minus 3. 4 plus 2, 4 minus 2. 25 plus 5, 25 minus 5. Hence, it is a roster form. Now, let us write this relation in a set builder form. The first question is what? Set builder form. In set builder form, we have to take ordered pair x comma y such that you just observe. Here we have 9. Here we have 9, isn't it? Here we have 9. First element is 9, second element is 3. First element is 9, second element is minus 3. Now 3 square is what? 9. Minus 3 whole square is 9. 2 square is 4. Minus 2 whole square is 4. 5 square is 25. Minus 5 whole square is 25. Are you getting? 3 square. The second element square is first element. The square of the second element is the first element, isn't it? The square of the second element is the first element. The square of the second element is the first element, isn't it? 3 square is 9, minus 3 whole square is 9. 2 square is 4, minus 2 whole square is 4. 5 square is 25, minus 5 whole square is 25. Then how you are going to represent this in set builder form? Generally we can say that second element, the square of the second element is the first element. The square of the second element is the first element, is nothing but x is a square of y, or the square of y is x. The square of y is x, or x is a square of y. X, the first element is x. X is a square of y. X is a square of y, or y, the square of y is x. The square of y is x. Then first element x should be belongs to which set? P. Next, second element y should be belongs to which set? Q. Hence it is a set builder form. It is a roster form, it is a set builder form. Right? Are you understand? Second element, the square of the second element is the first element. Here we are getting the square of the second element is the first element. Now next we have to find the domain and range. Then domain is what? Domain and range. Starting of this problem, I already told you that domain and range. Domain is what? Domain is nothing but the set P. 9, 4, 25 is the domain. 9, 4, 25 is the domain. 9, 4, 25 is the domain. Or the set of all the first elements of the ordered pair in a relation R is called domain, right? Range is what? The set of all the second elements of the ordered pair in a relation R is called range. Or you can identify by seeing the arrow diagram itself. Here we have the range. The set of all the images in the set Q is called range. The set of all the images in the set Q is called range. Range is 5, 3, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, minus 5. 5, 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. 1 we should not take because 1 is not related with the other elements, right? 1 is empty. 1 is empty except 1, all the numbers which comes under range. 5, 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. 5, 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Hence it is the domain and range of the given relation. I'll understand? Write down this question along with answer in your notebook. Okay, now let us move on to the next question. That question number will be 12th one. Here it is the 12th question. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 5, B equals to 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B till from we have done the problems up to the 11 problems. That the relation we have defined A to A, natural numbers to natural numbers, integers to integers, like that. Here he given two sets, set A and set B. We have to define a relation from A to B by relation R equals to xy such that the difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A, y belongs to B. We have to write this relation in a roster form. See, I have one thing that you can directly write this relation in a roster form without writing the Cartesian product of A and B. Okay, if you don't want to find the Cartesian product of A cross B, I mean the Cartesian product of A and B, you find very difficult to write this relation in a roster form. If you find, or if you have A cross B, then you can easily you feel very easy to write this relation in a roster form. First, write down the given sets. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 5. For this problem, no need to find A cross B. Kindly keep it in your mind. For this problem, no need to find A cross B. For to write in roster form, we have to, for to find the roster form, we need A cross B. If we have A cross B, then we can easily find the roster form. If we don't have A cross B, we find a little bit difficult to write this relation in a roster form. So that I want you to make very easy. So that I am writing A cross B. One step will be extra. Don't worry, one step will be extra. And also you know how to find A cross B. A cross B equals to S. How to find A cross B? 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 9. 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 9. Okay, next 2 4 2 6 2 9, 2 4 2 6 2 9. Okay, next 3 4 3 6 3 9, 3 4 3 6 3 9, right? Next 5 4 5 6 5 9, 5 4 5 6 5 9, right? It is the Cartesian product of A and B. Next we have to find the relation R. We have to find the relation R which is in roster form. First write down x comma y such that the difference between x and y is odd where x belongs to the set A, y belongs to the set B. It is a given relation xy such that the difference between x and y is odd, x belongs to A, y belongs to B. Now let us represent this in a set builder form. What he said, the difference between x and y is odd. The difference between x and y is odd, isn't it? The difference of 1 4 is what? The difference of 1 4. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. 3 is even or odd? Odd. So that ordered pair 1 4. The difference of 1 4 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 is an odd number. So that I have written 1 4. Next, the difference of 1 6 is what? 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 is an even or odd number? Odd. So that 1 6 will comes. Next 1 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 is even or odd? Even number. Right? 1 9 should not come. Next 2 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 is even or odd? Even. Next 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 is even or odd? Even. So that we should not write. 9 minus 2 is what? 7. 7 is even or odd? Odd. Yes. Then write down 2 9 ordered pair. Next 4 minus 3 is what? 1. 1 is even or odd? Odd. 3 4. Next 6 minus 3 is what? 3. 3 is even or odd? Odd. Write down 3 6. Next 9 minus 3 is what? 6. 6 is even or odd? Odd. Right? Odd. Sorry, 9 minus 3 is what? 6. 6 is even or odd? Even. We should not write. Next 5 4. 5 minus 4 is what? 1. 1 is even or odd? Odd. Write down 5 4. Next 5 6. Sorry, 5 4 is what? 2. Sorry, 5 4 is what? 1. 1 is even or odd? Odd. 5 4 I have written. Next 5 6. 6 minus 5 is what? 1. 1 is even or what? Odd. Okay, 5 6. Next 9. It is 9. 9 minus 5 is what? 4. 4 is even or what? 4 is even. We have to take only odd numbers. 5 6. Hence it is a relation R. Hence it is a relation R. 1 4 1 6 2 9 3 4 3 6 5 4 5 6. Right? If you find a little bit confusion to write this one in a roster form, you want to write, you can write this one in this one with a pencil. 4 minus 1 is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. Right? Now write down the odd numbers ordered pair. 3 is a odd number. 1 4 I have written. 5 is a odd number. 1 6 I have written. 1 9 is a even number. We should not take even. We have to take only odd numbers. Okay, next 2 4. 2 we should not take. 4 is even. We have to take only odd number. 7. Yes, 7 is a odd number. 2 9 written. 3 4. 1 is odd number 3 4 written. 3 is odd number 3 6 written. 6 even number we should not take. Next 1 even number, sorry, odd number 5 4 written. 5 6 1 is odd number 5 6 written. 5 9 4 4 is an even number we should not take. Therefore hence it is a relation R. Are you understand? Are you understand the concept of this problem? I hope you understood. If you just imagine, if we don't have the Cartesian product A and B, if we don't have the Cartesian product A and B, you find very difficult to write this relation in a roster form. So that I want make you to easy, so that I have written A cross B. By using this A cross B, I written the relation in a roster form, right? Okay, dear students, I think you understood the concept of this problem, and also we have solved 12 questions. We have solved 12 questions based on this relation. Kindly note down these questions in your notebook. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood well. It is the class for today. In the next class, we will continue the problems based on relation, and also we will move on to the next topic, that is functions. Okay, dear students, it is the class for today. In the next class, we will continue. Thank you.